Hello, so this is Sir Ryan O'Neill Knight here with the Detailing Knights and one of our VIP customers, Alyssa. Thanks for being here, Alyssa.
Thank you.
So I did want to start off with, do you remember the first reason why you used the Detailing Knights?
Yes, my husband's car was completely covered in dog hair. We have a puppy that sheds a lot, and bringing him to the park and everything like that, we get mud and we get hair and everything all over the car. And just, he's a black interior with white dog hair, and it was a nightmare. And so we were so busy, we didn't have time to make an appointment with the shop and go in and drop the car off, and that would have been such a nightmare. So yeah, we found you guys and you came to the house and it made everything super easy, and yeah.
Awesome. And so how would you describe the Detailing Knights to a friend?
I would say the easiest thing you could possibly do to clean your car without having to lift a finger yourself. They're so easy to schedule with, and they'll come to your work, they'll come to your house. So I would just tell them that, yeah, if you want a clean car and you want it to be completely hassle-free, absolutely call the Detail Knights.
Wicked. And so lastly, we do a lot of work with high school students or youth that are looking for employment and teaching them how to start their own company. What would be a piece of advice you'd give to a startup entrepreneur?
Customer service, I think, is huge. Being able to respond to the customers, be polite, be understanding about things, and that flexibility, I think, helps your business grow, because when you're first starting out, you can't be too, I think, rigid on some things. You've got to be able to work with people.
All right, wicked. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
All right.